Respected teachers and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like to thank my class teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak about this day. On 15 August 1947, India gained independence after a series of moments in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So this day remarks the celebration of freedom for the British Empire that ruled by our country for around 200 years. Hence, to commemorate our historic freedom, we can celebrate this day with full passion and energy all around the country. Independence Day is a national festival and is also a public holiday. On this day, flag hosting ceremonies, parades, and by armed forces and school children, jackies with dance, singing activities, etc. held in different parts of the country, but main celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Red Fort. Before the political and social dignitaries of India, the Prime Minister of India unfolds the national flag and addresses the nation with the speech. Also, national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag and salute is given. The national flag by firing 21 guns and flowers are also saluted via helicopter. This is all done to pay homage to the nation's superheroes, freedom fighters of our nations. Moreover, greatest parades also held at Rajpath in New Delhi, which showcases a multi-hued image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military powers. Celebrating Independence Day is upheld in our aware of the sacrifice once made to make this country a better place to live for us. So this day remarks to respect to our freedom fighters, and is very special occasion to every citizen of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you everyone.